In this paper, we present an algorithm for synthesizing the bidirectional texture function, or BTF, on arbitrary polygonal surfaces. The BTF is an extension of 2D texture that can capture the fine-scale shadows, occlusions, and specularities caused by local geometry details. Here we have a BTF sample at the upper left corner. Our algorithm takes a sample BTF and a surface as input and synthesizes a BTF on the surface. Here we compare a surface texture with a surface BTF. The texture looks flat and unrealistic because it does not capture the shading effect caused by the local geometry details. A possible way to generate a BTF on the surface is to paste a collection of overlapping BTF patches onto the surface and blend the BTFs in the overlapping regions to hide seams. However, as shown inside the red box, this technique does not work because BTF blending can introduce inconsistent geometry structures on the surface. Our algorithm directly synthesizes BTFs on surfaces using textons. From the sample BTF, we first perform texton analysis to extract textons and generate a 2D texton map representing the sample BTF. From the 2D texton map, we synthesize a surface texton map on the target surface. The surface texton map is a compact representation of the surface BTF to be synthesized. We can efficiently render the surface BTF using the surface texton map and the sample BTF. Now we show some results. First we show a surface BTF synthesized from real-world BTF samples. The surface BTF on the dinosaur model is synthesized from a BTF sample of a real material. We can clearly see the fine-scale shadows, occlusions, and specularities caused by local geometry details. Here is another surface BTF synthesized from a sample of a real material. In this example, the surface geometry detail and radiance variations are mixed together to create a complicated appearance. Now we show a surface BTF synthesized from synthetic BTF samples. This demo shows the consistent local geometry structure in a synthesized surface BTF when the light source or viewpoint moves. In all viewing and lighting conditions, the surface BTF looks similar to the BTF sample at the lower right corner. In this example, the BTF sample has very strong local geometry structure, and this geometry structure is well captured in the surface BTF. Notice that the local geometry details and radiance variations are mixed together to create a fairly complex lighting effect, particularly when the viewing direction or lighting direction changes. In conclusion, our algorithm can synthesize a surface BTF that not only looks similar to the sample BTF, but also maintains a consistent fine-scale geometry structure when the viewing or lighting direction changes.